start. Tejas?
Yes, okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Just a second. So I think my screen is visible, everyone.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, so good evening, everyone. I hope you are all doing well, and thank you so much for joining today's Google Cloud Arcade orientation session. Before we begin, uh, I'd like to request everyone to stay till the end because we'll be covering the complete roadmap of this program, and most of the common doubts usually get answered during the session itself. So my name is Tejas Badguzar. I am currently pursuing in third year BTech at Kekewag Institute of Engineering Education Research, Nashik, and I am serving as your Google Cloud Architect Facilitator for 2026. Along with me in today's session will also be Krishna Borse, your Google Cloud Architect Facilitator. Krishna is currently working as software engineer at Bosch Global Software Technologies and has been a Google Cloud Architect Facilitator for over last 4 to 5 years. And he has guided around thousands of learners in previous editions. And later he'll explain the complete arcade ecosystem with practical demonstrations and useful tips. So without further delay, let's start. Okay, so before explaining the program, let me first show you something everyone gets excited. There are actual Google Cloud goodies received by participants in previous editions. You can see the goodies like backpacks, bottles, notebooks, text accessories, and every year, and many more Google goodies. And also every year, whenever this program starts, one question is guaranteed. Like everyone asks, "Sir, goodies milenge kya?" And yes, they do, but I'd like to give one suggestion. Goodies, don't take goodies as a motivation. It's not a goal. Your actual benefit of this program is learning cloud technologies, building practical skills, earning Google skill badges, and improving your resume. And if you focus on learning, goodies will automatically become your bonus for you. Okay, so let's go to third slides. Yes, agenda. Now, before moving ahead, let me quickly tell you what we are going to cover today itself. Firstly, what is the Arcade Facilitator program? Why should you enroll in this program? How to enroll in this program? Point system, bonus milestone, and let's plan your journey in this program. And there are many things in this program like skill badges, Google Gear, games, bonus milestones, many practical tips that will help you complete the program smoothly. And finally, we'll keep some time for question and answers. Okay, so what is Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program? Now, in simple terms, Google's official learning program where you learn cloud computing or any other skills like artificial intelligence, DevOps, and many modern technologies. And the biggest advantage of this program is it is completely free program. There are no course fees, no charges, unlike many online courses where you simply watch videos. Here in this program, you will actually perform hands-on labs and cloud computing name is quite technical, but trust me, once you start doing the labs, you'll realize it's much simpler than it sounds. And you will actually work on Google Cloud, not just learn about it. Okay. Uh, Also, why you should join this program because today cloud computing is everywhere. Like you see in Google, Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, any big startup. Just a second. Okay, is my voice audible to everyone? Krishna? Hello? Hello? Okay, sure. I'll continue then. Okay, so yeah, why should you spend your time on this program? Because today is like cloud computing everywhere. Whether you see companies like Google, Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, many big startups, almost every major company uses cloud as their technology. And companies today don't just look at marks, they also look at your skills. And through this program, you'll gain practical experience on official Google Cloud skill badges and improve your LinkedIn profile. And also, you can strengthen your resume. And yes, सर्टिफिकेट सबके पास होते हैं लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत कम लोगों के पास होता है. So this program will be giving you all this. And as you can see, like you can see this generative AI fundamental digital batch, this two arcade games, you can all share this to your LinkedIn and all other things. Now let's come to the content of this program. uh, there are mainly three important components. First is your Google Cloud Arcade games. Second is your Google Cloud skill badges, and thirdly is your Gear learning path and badges. Now, what is Gear? Gear is a it is like Google program. Here you can complete short learning paths, which is focused on Google's latest AI and enterprise technologies. And as you complete, then you'll also earn Gear badges. So don't worry about this. We'll explain everything to you in further thing. Okay. So yes, as I told you, as a token of appreciation, Google also gives you goodies, and don't just fall for goodies. Complete this program as you're learning. Okay, so this is important. Like, let's talk about enrollment. The registration process is quite simple. You just have to fill the enrollment form. We have shared already to you enrollment form link on our WhatsApp communities, or else you can find it on Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator website. And just complete the enrollment form carefully. Use the correct email address. And most important thing is, don't forget to use our Arcade Facilitator code. This is our Facilitator referral code. And after registration, Google usually sends you an email within 24 to 48 hours. That email contains your free lab credits and further instruction. You will be getting around 750 credits from Google Cloud to solve labs and all these things. The official program timeline of this is 13th of July 2026, 5 p.m., which means the program is already started from 13th of July 5 p.m. and it will go till 14th of September 2026. And through this period, you will be getting facilitator bonus miles points in this program. I'll explain you further. Okay, so coming to the point system, like every activity you complete inside the program earns you points, whether it's arcade games, skill badges, or Google Gear badges. Like simple language, जितना ज़्यादा आप complete करोगे उतने ज़्यादा points आप earn करोगे. And these points help you unlock different milestones. Later, Krishna will explain exactly how many points each activity gives and how to maximize your score. And like for this adventure, arcade voyage, arcade trial, these are like games, and for each games you will be getting 1 point, which means if you complete one game batch you will be getting 1 point. And for skill badges you need to complete two skill badges to get 1 point. I'll explain again. For one game batch you will be getting 1 point. For two skill badges you will be getting 1 point. Okay. And also you will be getting milestone extra bonus points in this program. So let's see the point system one by one. This is milestone 1, which says complete any 6 arcade games and 18 skill badges. On completion of milestone 1, you will receive like 6 games points. Uh, you will receive 6 points from 6 games. You will receive 9 points from 18 skill badges, and you will get extra 5 bonus points in this milestone completion. Like when you complete 15 total points, you'll be getting 5 bonus points, and you can complete your milestone 1. And on completion of milestone 1, you become eligible to take part in the bonus milestone. You can complete the same to earn an extra 10 bonus point, thus making your total point 10 plus 5 plus 10 equal to 30 points. This milestone is a part of Gear, which means you will be getting 10 extra bonus points from Gear. Now, coming to the milestone 2, which says complete any 8 arcade games and 34 skill badges. Now, on completion of milestone 2, like for 8 games, you'll be getting 8 points. For 34 skill badges, you'll be getting 17 points. Now, this 8 points and 17 points will give a total of 25 arcade points, and 25 arcade points plus 15 bonus points you'll be getting through this facilitator program. And if you add this, you'll be getting around 50 points in milestone 2 plus that 10 points from gear program, which makes your total point tally around 50 points. Okay, so yes, milestone 3, which says complete any 10 arcade games and 50 skill badges. On completion of milestone 3, you will receive, like, for 10 games you will get 10 points, and for 50 skill badges you will be getting 25 points, which means you have to complete any 10 games and 50 skill badges, which will give you 25 points. And for milestone completion, you will be getting 25 bonus points. So your total arcade points tally goes to 35 arcade points plus 25 bonus points, which means, and plus 10, it is 60 plus 10, you will be getting total 70 points, and your milestone 3 will be completed. Okay. And yes, the ultimate milestone, which says complete any 12 arcade games and 66 skill badges. Now, on completion of ultimate milestone, you will receive around uh, you have to complete around 12 games, which will be giving you 12 points. And for you need to complete around 66 skill badges, which will give you 33 points. And for milestone completion, you will get around 35 bonus points. So your points tally goes to 45 arcade points plus 35 bonus point, and you get extra 10 bonus point from gear. So it goes 45 plus 35 plus 10, it's around 90 points. So yes, those points will help you unlock different milestone, which you can see in arcade website, that no voice, champion, legend, or etc. Okay, and yes, you can do it. You can achieve ultimate milestone, and you can eligible for Google goodies. So yes, this is all. Like, you can complete ultimate milestone, and you can also complete the arcade legend tire. So yes, this is the short summary. Like, you have to complete any 6 arcade games and 18 skill badges. You'll be getting total of 20 arcade points. Any 8 arcade games, 34 skill badges, you'll be getting 40 total arcade points. 10 arcade games and 50 skill badges, you'll be getting 60 total arcade points. And 12 arcade games and 66 skill badges, you'll be getting total 80 arcade points. And you have to complete 4 gear skill badges and create your first agent to get 10 extra bonus points. Okay, so yes, this was all about point system, and so that's all from my side. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program is and why it's worth participating in it. अब like we'll go to actual how arcade works. अब हम ये देखते हैं कि arcade कैसे work करता है, and I'd now like to invite Krishna Borse to explain the practical side of the program, arcade games, labs, skill badges, and Google Gear, and different milestones and strategies to complete this program successfully.
Yeah.
So over to you, Krishna.
Thank you, Tejas. Thank you for explaining the overview. I will just share my screen. I hope my screen is visible. So,
Yes, yes,
hello
Krishna.
and welcome everyone to the world of cloud. Uh, I hope many of you have joined for first time and they are not having much idea on this, like what are the cloud systems or how it works. So the sole and whole purpose of this program is to motivate students or early professionals who want to pursue career in cloud technology. There are competitive market players available in cloud, and Google Cloud is one of them, which is providing the cloud services. So I will start from very basics, like what is the cloud and how it works. So cloud is a server-based host system. You can see it as a Linux-based server hosted, so that it can be shared across the various services and anyone can access it over the internet. Uh, all those website we see on internet are hosted on cloud, and for many purpose, cloud is needed. So for learning this technology as a developer, it is essential in today's world, so that you can get hands-on on how the system works, how softwares are deployed, and how they are scaling and integrated. For that, Google have introduced this arcade program, which will give you playfulness and with learning, with hands-on experience, and with some goodies, the wholesome experience where you can interact with this console, interact with this cloud technology to get to know it better and earn some prizes as well. So the arcade program runs throughout the year, and the prize counter where we get goodies opens once a year at the end of the year. So throughout this whole year, you just grab some more points, learn some skills, gain some badges, and ultimately, once you get the points, you can redeem them as a prizes. So this one is the main website of Arcade. Everyone should bookmark it. Like this is the main website where you will get all the things, all your doubts clear. So if you can see, there are prizes tiers listed here. Uh, there are four kind of prizes. Basically, if you want a first year price, at least a minimum something that you should get from Google, you need to have at least 50 points. After that, Arcade Ranger is there, Arcade Champion is there, and finally Ultimate Arcade Legend. So the point system is already explained by Tejas, like how it works and how you can get those points. It's similar to like completing some task, and that completing task will give you some point. To be precise, there are two. Hello. Yeah, I hope I'm audible. Yeah. To be precise,
Yes,
there are
audible.
little different types of badges available here. So there are certain game badges and there are some skill badges. So usually game badges are listed on arcade website, and it will be like every time six new games will be launched every month throughout the year. So as this we are currently in June, so there were some badges till the June have been already completed. So a lot of member have completed from January, or some may have joined today, this month as well. So there is no need to worry. You can still achieve the 120 points of milestone. So there are these game badges introduced. So for particularly enrolling in that batch, there is access code here. So at the start of the program, we have introduced you to create the account on Gear and Cloud Skill Boost. So Cloud Skill Boost is the platform where you will completing those tasks. It will look like this. And once you enroll a particular batch, you will get the integrated environment like this. So let's say this is the badge I have enrolled, which is Safe Spaces. It have like 15 days remaining, which is our like July timeline. The spots you can ignore because there are a lot of spots. So you just have to like enroll, and then there are something which is mentioned as labs. So these labs you can take it as a set of instruction or a simulated environment for cloud, where you will be completing some tasks such as deploying apps, or maybe creating some databases using SQL to querying some databases, managing some systems, creating AI agent, AI model. There are variety of tasks available. So if we select this as a like managing GKE multi-tenant cluster with namespaces. So GKE mostly is a Google Kubernetes engine. Kubernetes is a part of a cloud system, DevOps, where the applications are deployed as a containerized application, and Kubernetes is mostly the container orchestration platform. Uh, the purpose of solving such labs or tasks, I will say, is like you will get to know a variety of concepts that are needed when you are pursuing the cloud, computer engineering background, or you if you want to build your career in IT. So like DevOps, if you have heard, as I said, like Kubernetes is part of DevOps, or software development, or any other activities or data related. So cloud is an integrated system of all the things where any field, uh, any developer or any data scientist, any professional can work or utilize. So building such skills is essential in this today's world. So back to the task. If we open the particular lab, there is a start button. Once you click the start, the pop-up will appear where it will give you the link and the username and password. So using that username and password, you will start the lab and follow this instruction step by step. As I said, username and password will be given. You will go to Cloud Console, which will somehow look like this. They have provided image as well. So like there will be navigation menu and there will be multiple things, and you will just follow this steps uh, properly as a task, and you will complete all those tasks. Once you are done with all these tasks, the counter is there where your progress appears, which need to be fulfilled. Let's say it is as a 60 out of 60 or 50 out of 50. You need to complete those much steps with that much score to complete a particular lab. And once you complete all the labs listed in this particular badge, that badge will be visible on your public profile. So to be precise, I will show you how public profile looks like, as we have told you to public your profile as well. So this is my public profile. I guess it was not public. I will just refresh. I think somehow it's not loading, but the badge will appear in your public profile. So once you complete that particular badge, it will be appearing in your profile. Let's go back to Arcade website again. So as a part of Facilitator program that you have enrolled, this is the official website of Facilitator program as well. So there are multiple things mentioned here: how the point system works, how the bonus point system works, and what is the syllabus. Those game batches which are mentioned in Arcade website are mentioned here as well, so you can access them from here as well. There is access code and link, and there are certain skill badges listed here. As I have mentioned, the skill badges, these skill badges will require you some credits to be like to get started with. So these game badges and these labs don't require credits to enroll in them to perform that task. But skill badges are certain skill badges that will need you, that will be required to gain some expertise, and the credits are necessary for it. That's why we have provided you 750 credits via our facilitator program. That credits will be used to enroll in these skill badges. But these credits are like you should use them wisely. Once the credits are spent, you cannot utilize them again. So if certain lab needs 5 credits, it will take 5 credits from your pool, and then that lab will be started. You need to just follow the step by step instruction mentioned in the that lab and to complete those all tasks. Also, if you get stuck anywhere, there are multiple solutions available for the performing such labs. Maybe you can search it on YouTube, or you can directly reach out to us if you face any technical difficulty. Talking about the bonus system that Tejas have already explained, this time they have introduced some new program as a gear program. So this gear program is basically Gemini oriented program where you will be completing certain tasks such as along with skill badges to get some extra 10 bonus points. So there are criteria mentioned here as well. You need to be active enroll user. Then you need to have your gear badge on your public profile that we have created at the form filling step only. We have shared the video regarding that as well. Also, you should earn arcade gear badge, and for that URL is given here. It will look like this arcade GCP arcade badge. Also, and you need to be make sure that you will need at least milestone 1 to get this 10 bonus points. So as a part of this program, at least you need to complete milestone 1, that is like 6 game points plus 18 skill badges to get this 10 extra bonus points. And there is step by step guideline mention how you can achieve this 10 extra bonus points. It will take just less than 5 hours, and you will interact with the actual cloud console. So what I told before was the simulator cloud console in a form of labs, but gear will need actual cloud console for creating your AI agent. So as a part of gear program, you will be completing AI related 4 skill badges, and after that signing up for the Google Cloud free tier. So it will be actual cloud environment that you will create on your username, not like the lab integrated environment we used to get in this cloud skill boost. It will be actual cloud account. So you need to enroll for cloud free tier free trial, There you will give $300 of worth of credits, and that will be used to create your personal agent. So you will follow the steps, you will create your own AI agent, and that task will be completed as a step 3. So throughout this program, you will get a lot to learn. What I will say is, like, whenever you are completing some task, do read some description, like what things we are performing, what significant is it actually adding in our knowledge base. Ultimately, today or tomorrow, you need to learn these skills when you come in IT industry. But if you are already aware of such technologies, it will be really beneficial for you. As working in IT industry, I can definitely say that, like, knowing this such services have definitely helped me. Previously, I used to work on Google Cloud, and now I am working on some other. But ultimately, core concept remains same. Also, just a minute. The main motivation, which is our goodies. Ultimately, they are now considering very high quality goodies. At our times, we not used to get such premium branded goodies. It was just a T-shirt and some water bottles. But now, if like मेहनत अगर ज़्यादा है, तो prices भी वैसे ही है. So they have introduced some digital goodies as well, some premium quality backpacks and hoodies. And let me share you, like, flaunting such goodies gives you a different level of satisfaction. Like, आप देखते हो कि, like, यार कॉलेज में सबसे कुछ अलग या कुछ बढ़िया मेरे पास है, तो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग. आई कैन डेफिनेटली शेयर दैट, लाइक, मेरे पास जब कॉलेज में था, लाइक, वी कैन से इट एंड चेंज वर्ड, कुछ अलग ही और होता है उस चीज का. So yeah, so don't miss this chance. You will get some prizes as well. There is a lot of learning as well that you will be using in future. You can definitely add this thing in your as a technical skill. I will say this is a core technical skill, and you can definitely say that, yeah, I am aware of cloud systems, I am aware of DevOps culture, and I know the services, and I know the its functionality. It will be like using your whole IT industry knowledge. It will be clearing your computer network concept, database concepts, coding concepts. Then you have cloud computing subject, that concept, and definitely AI. That is really hard to clear. Every AI system or anything you are using, whether it is OpenAI or Gemini, yeah, in this case, it will be Gemini, but you will be creating those agents, or you will be creating such tasks, you will be deploying such agents, and that will be really helpful for you. I hope I have covered the necessity of this program. And I guess if you have any doubts, just let us know. We are here to help you. Uh, Sometimes it happens there are little technical difficulties in particular labs or particular tasks. Those will be, like, reported by Google Cloud team, and we will be solving on that, like, as soon as possible. Today such problem occurred for reCAPTCHA verification, and Google team is consistently working on it. Those who are solving. Apart from that, if you have any doubt about the program, please put it in a chat, or you can directly unmute yourself. We can help you. That's all from my side, and thank you.
Thank you so much, Krishna, for explaining the arcade ecosystem. Uh, I hope now everyone has much better understanding of how the program actually works, from arcade games and skill badges to Google Gear, milestones, and point system. Now, as you can see, the program isn't just complicated like it may have seemed you earlier. Once you get started, everything becomes much easier for you guys. So yes, that's what all from our side, and we hope it was useful and you have a clear understanding. Now we would be now happy to answer your questions you may have. We are open to your questions.
I
Feel free
forgot
to
to mention
either.
one point actually. When you go on Arcade website, there is one form for subscribe here. So you must subscribe there. It is just a small Google form where you will be putting just your email and subscribing to the Arcade. That is very much necessary to get the link for price counter at the end of the year. So please don't forget to subscribe the arcade. And regarding the point system that we have already explained, the 120 points seems little hard, but it is not. Within the facilitator program only, you will be getting 90 points if you complete ultimate milestone. So एक प्राइस तो एटलीस्ट पक्का हो जाता है जहाँ पे बहुत कुछ मिल जाएगा. आ- ऊपर के 30 पॉइंट्स like totally up to you, you complete it or not. But just 2 months, by giving 2 months, you can definitely earn 90 points, and it will give you a box full of goodies and a box full of knowledge that you will be utilizing in your career. Yeah. If you have any question, please put it in chat, or you can directly unmute or raise a hand. We'll be answering that. Silly से silly doubt हो तो भी चलेगा. We are here to help you. Anything, even if you don't know the cloud system, that doubt will be also handled. So don't worry, don't hesitate to ask the doubt.
Yes, guys, any doubts from your side? We are here to answer your doubts. You can just either unmute yourself or just drop your question in chat.
You are asking nothing means we can consider like everything is cleared for all the participants. So I hope everyone will be achieving ultimate milestone then. Or if you are like, if you are fully confident that you will achieve that, that's great for us.
Yes, and just don't leave the program after just enrollment. Even if you can dedicate like 45 minutes per day or 1 hour per day, you will be surprised by how much learning you can cover in just next 1 month.
Okay, Anushka, I asked, can I do this program on my college email ID? Means it is recommended by you to use college email ID or personal. Any email ID you can use. We hope personal will be good. As personal is, it will be along with you afterwards as well. As the badges earn on your that email ID will be, you can share it in LinkedIn or anywhere in future. But college email ID, I am not having idea if you can if you can have access after your college days. So you can use personal. It will be good. Or even if you have registered with college one, that is also no problem. But just maintain single email ID everywhere. And if you are participating for first time, then it's okay. If you are participating repeated, if you have already completed, you must use new email ID. I hope I have answered your question, Anushka.
Guys, any doubt you can ask us. We are here to help you.
See, I do get lot of doubts in WhatsApp DM. We are here open to answer your all queries. It's not possible always to answer every DM, but when we are asking, guys, don't hesitate to ask the doubt. If you have anything we can help, we are here.
Okay, Shervil, do we have to use incognito mode while solving the labs? Yes,
Yes. Yeah, Tejas, you can answer.
yes, it is recommended to use incognito mode because if you create in normal mode, multiple IDs will be created there and it will create confusion further.
Sometimes what happens is like when you are signed in with your Gmail in your Chrome, and if you open Cloud Console in that tab only, sometimes the Cloud Console will be getting open on your email. We don't want that to happen. So that's why we are recommending you to use incognito mode. So the sessions will be maintained properly. The dummy account they have provided, it will run on incognito, and the main account that is yours will be in our normal Chrome tab. Just to be like clear or not getting confused, that's why it's recommended to use incognito mode. Any other doubt? I am able to see like around 35 participants here. Okay, Harshada is asking, if I complete all the labs before the deadline, will I receive any extra benefits? Uh, no, as such benefits are there, but you will be ahead of game, we can say. The no limit for getting skill badges, but arcade games have some limit. Arcade games need to be completed within that particular month only. Even if you get complete, even if you complete all the arcade games, still you get skill badges. So you can like complete all the things as fast as that depends on your speed. So not the benefit, but completing a particular milestone will definitely give you bonus points. Vedika is asking, I did before, so use old email ID. If you have already available from your old, we recommend you to use new email ID. Register new.
Uh, Okay, Vedika, I think Krishna's voice is breaking due to some network issue. If you have already created one account, we'll suggest you to create new account for this arcade cohort because that previous account points and all will be not should be overlapped this time. So we'll suggest you to create new email ID for this particular cohort. Yeah. You will teach us, Nainish is asking, you will teach us how to complete the games and skills or not. No, Nainish. I think like we have shown you how you can complete your labs and particular games. You just have to go to the arcade website, enter that particular game, and there are some sort of instructions given in that lab, and you can just follow those instructions. Or if you don't understand those instructions, you can just see the tutorial. For every lab there is tutorial on YouTube. You can just see from there and complete that particular lab. If you have any doubt in that particular lab, you can ask in our community and we can there to help you. Got it? Okay. Any other questions? So if everything is clear from our side, if you have no doubts further, just show a quick thumbs up so like we can understand you are all clear and all set to complete arcade milestones.
If you get any doubt, you can just put it in WhatsApp chats. We will be solving that query. So don't worry, we are here to help you throughout this program if you stuck anywhere.
Yeah,
So
and if anyone from you has not joined our community, just you can actually our previous community is just full. So we have created a new group. I'll just share my screen. If anyone is not in our previous community, you can just scan this QR code. Just a second. You can join this community for those who are not already present in our community. We have created this community, also the previous community, to support you throughout this journey. Whenever you face any issue, whether it's labs, points, badges, or enrollment, anything else, just ask in the community. We'll try our best to help you. Just scan this QR code so like you can join our community. This is new community. Those who are already present in our previous community, they do not need to join this community. This is only for those who are not present in our previous community. Okay. And yes, those who have not enrolled in this program, just don't forget to use this referral code while enrolling in this program so that we can track all your things and monitor you.
I think we can wrap up. Thank you everyone for joining, and we'll be seeing you soon.
Thank you everyone for joining today's session. We hope it was useful and now you have a clear understanding of this program. Thank you.
Anushka is saying I had registered twice from two different email IDs. Just follow the one email ID where you will complete all the steps. There is no such problem, but just follow one only. If you complete on both, like half half, ultimately it will not add the points in a one system. So we'll just recommend to stick to one only. Yeah. Okay then. Thank you guys for joining.
Thank you guys.
Danish, you just need to check properly that mail where you have got the credits. Just follow all the steps mentioned, and you will be getting credits in your profile. We have already shared video as well how you can redeem those credits. There must be some like little discrepancy or any steps might have missed. Use incognito mode if needed to claim those credits. It will be reflected in your public profile. We'll be sharing videos again. They just we can just drop that whole message again in every group.
Yeah, we'll drop that message again for how you can claim your 750 credits. You just follow the steps clearly. I think some part from your side will be missed, so you did not got that grade. We'll share the videos again. You just follow it carefully, and you can get your grades. Okay, Danish. Okay, so like we can now wrap up this meeting. Thank you again for joining.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, and see you in cloud.